In this question, we're asked to find at least 4 ionic compounds that could be formed from the following ions. And we have an iron ion and a lead ion, and then we have acetate, a polyatomic ion, and nitrate, a polyatomic ion. The first thing we need to realize is the positive ions will interact with the negative ions. So you're not going to form any ionic compounds between 2 negative ions or between 2 positive ions. So one thing we might want to do is just write this as a little bit of a table. So to do that, we can do Fe3 plus and Pb 4 plus on this side. And then we can put acetate, which is CH3 CO2 minus, and NO3 minus on this side, and then we can write the 4 ionic compounds that will form here. So if we have Fe3 plus and CH3 CO2 minus forming an ionic compound, we cross the charges. If you need more than one polyatomic ion, which in this case you're going to need 3 acetates because you have to bring this 3 down, you do have to put it in parentheses. So here you're going to get Fe parentheses, Fe is 1 because we brought the 1 down for the -1 charge of acetate. Then we're going to need 3 acetates, so CH3 CO2 parentheses 3. So we do put the polyatomic ion in parentheses, and I'm just going to rewrite that over here. For the first compound. Now I want to do the same thing with Fe3 plus and nitrate. So Fe3 plus and O3 minus, cross them. And again, we're going to need 3 nitrates because it has the same charge as acetate. And what you're going to end up with is Fe parentheses NO3 3. It's very important to remember with polyatomic ions to have all the numbers correctly memorized in your head, basically. So this is a nitrogen, 3 oxygens, and a minus charge. This one is a carbon, 3 hydrogens, a carbon, 2 oxygens, and a minus charge. All of these numbers that are subscripted and superscripted have to be remembered, because if you think of this as NO with a 3 minus charge, that's a completely different thing than a nitrogen, 3 oxygens, and a 1 minus charge. Just going to write this one again over here, FeNO3 3. Now we're going to do the same thing with lead. I'm going to have to move the paper a little bit in order to have room to do that. So we have Pb4 plus, CH3CO2 minus, we cross them, and again we're going to have to put the polyatomic ion in parentheses, so it's Pb parentheses CH3CO2, the polyatomic ion acetate, and we need 4 of them. I'm just going to write that over here. Pb CH3CO2 4 times. Then the last one, we have Pb4 plus and nitrate, and O3 minus, same thing, bring the charges, bring the numbers of the charges down. So Pb is 1 again, so we don't write it. We need 4 nitrates, so we have a nitrogen, 3 oxygens, 4 times. Make sure the polyatomic ion is in parentheses. I'm just going to write that one over here as well, and that will complete this problem.